Hello everyone, this is an optimization question. So this is question number 10. So it says the combined perimeter of a circle and the square is 16, and find the dimensions of the circle and the square to produce the minimum total area. So pretty much in any optimization question, you need to figure out the equation and then you set the derivative equal to 0. So we have a circle and we've got dimensions of a circle and a square, just like that. And they produce, if you add them, a perimeter of that's equal to 16. So here we've got circle radius r, and we've got x, and this is x. So pretty much the circumference is going to be 2 pi r plus 4x, and that would equal to 16. So I'm going to make this in terms of r, so I'm going to move this to the other side, and then divide by 2 pi, so r is equal to 16 minus 4x over 2 pi. I'm going to further simplify this into 8 minus 2x all over pi. Divide everything by 2. And also it says find dimensions of the circle and square minus total area. So if we want to find the area would be x squared plus, that's the area of a square, plus the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. We know what r is, so we can just plug that in there. So the area would equal to x squared plus pi times 8 minus 2x over pi. And that should be squared. So here if we did that, equals to x squared plus pi, this is going to be 8 minus 2x squared over pi squared, so this can be cancelled out, and then we could further simplify this. So this, let's say this is x squared, here we got 8 minus 2x, 8 minus 2x, so let's say that this is 64 minus 16x minus 16x plus 4x squared, so this is going to be plus 4x squared minus 32x plus 64, and this is going to be all over pi. This is going to be all over pi. And so we've got that. Now we could find the derivative of this thing. So the derivative would be, there's another different color, so this is going to be a prime would equal to the derivative 2x. Here's 2x plus. So we could really look at this as 1 over pi times this whole thing over there. So let's just, or we could just do the quotient rule. So here we've got pi times the derivative of this, which is going to be 8x minus 32, and then minus the derivative of pi, which is 0 over pi squared, and this cancels out. A prime is equal to 2x plus so we could set that equal to 0 equals to 2x, and that should equal to 8x minus 32 over pi. Now we can move that over. So this is going to be 8x minus 32 on pi is equal to 2x. That should be negative over 1, so we could cross multiply. 2x pi is equal to 8x negative. So because, or, just to make things simpler for everybody here, so if I moved this over and try to simplify, so 2x is equal to 8x minus 32 on pi over 1, multiply all these, negative 32, so multiplied by 1 is equal to negative 2x pi. And so with that, I could add 2x pi, add 2x pi, and move this over and then divide. And so 32 would equal to, so if I added 2 plus 2 pi, so just that x plus 2 pi x right here, divided by 8 plus 2 pi, divided by 8 plus 2 pi, and if I plug that into a calculator, I should get 32 divided by 8 plus 2 pi. And this gives me a value for x that is 2.2404. So that is my x value. So after that, I can take this and plug it in to find my r. So I can go back here. I know r is equal to 8 minus 2 times 2.2404 all over pi. And so I can take this, and this would equal 2. 2 minus 2 times 2.2404. This equals to that, divided by pi, and that should equal to my answer of 1.120196. So if I round it here to, let's say that x is equal to 2.240, here r is equal to 1.120. So I have both of these right here, and just to make sure, find the minimum, find the dimensions of the circle and the square, find the minimum area. Yep, so here we go. So the r for the circle, the radius is 1.120, and the x for the square is 2.240. That is your answer to find the minimum area. Thank you so much, and have a good day.